From dashboard, open banking, then payments. Review the combined register for money received and money paid, including number, date, party, mode, amount, allocation, and status. Now open purchases, then purchase bills. This keeps the payment linked to the correct supplier document. Open bill 0001. Confirm the supplier, invoice reference, total, due amount, ITC status and item before paying. Select record payment. The vendor and open bill are carried into the payment form. Enter 2000. Confirm the date and use cash only for an actual cash payment. Add the payment reference, then auto-allocate it to the selected purchase bill. Review the allocated amount and zero unallocated balance. Select Save Payment, then wait for the recorded confirmation. Payment 0002 is recorded. Confirm supplier, cash account, reference, amount and bill allocation. Use purchase bills to verify the payment changed the supplier bill, not its original expense or GST. The register now shows partial status and 7,440 due after the 2000 payment. Return through the left menu, collapse purchases, open banking, then choose payments. The payments register shows the new paid entry, cash mode, 2000 amount, 0 unallocated balance and recorded status. The entry debits accounts payable and credits cash in hand. Void reverses the ledger and allocation, so use it only with approval.